You need to hear this if you're a young animal lover. Wolves have some amazing secrets to share. Wolves are amazing animals. Did you know they can run up to 40 miles an hour? That's faster than most cars in a city. Wolves live in groups called packs. It's like having a big family. And guess what? They howl to talk to each other. It's their way of saying, hey, I'm here. Baby wolves are called pups. They are born blind and can't hear for the first 2 weeks. But soon, they join the pack and learn to hunt. Wolves have super strong jaws. They can bite through bones. Talk about powerful. So next time you see a picture of a wolf, remember these fun facts. Wolves are more than just cool. They're totally awesome. See you next time, explorers.